Hello students, now in this session we'll explain question number 15 of exercise 11.3. Now this question number 15 is carrying one figure. You will find that this figure is there in the book. Now if you carefully observe that there are two circles are there and these two circles are sharing the same center. Now there is some dimensions are also given. See the outer radius, that is from center up till here. That means the radius of the bigger circle is given. The width of this distance, that is width of this path, is also given as 10 meter. Now what is exactly that you have to find out for this particular sum? Now there are two questions that you have to solve. That is circumference of an inner circle, you have to get it, and also you have to find out the circumference of outer circle. Now because we see excuse me, as you see that you have two circles, so definitely the radius will not be the same. Fine. So for inner radius I will rather consider this as R1, and for the outer radius I will consider this as R2. Okay, so that you can understand. So what would be the value of R1 and what would be the value of R2? Now according to the question, the value of R2 is already given, 19. Now your real challenge is to get the value of R1. So how to get it? Now if we carefully observe that the external radius, that is the outer radius, it's a combination of smaller radius plus the width, isn't it? That is from here to here. If you really see what is the measurement, 10 meter is given, isn't it? So it's a combination of smaller radius and the width. Okay, that means R1 plus 10 meter is equals to 19 meter. So if you have to get the value of R1, what exactly you have to do? You have to remove this part, isn't it? You have to remove this part so that you can get this value, this distance. So the whole distance is 19 meter. If you remove this particular distance, then you will get this distance. So from 19, what we have to do? Remove means you have to subtract. So R1 is equals to 19 minus 10. So you will get the inner radius. So the first job you have to get R1. So what is R1? R1 is 19 minus 10, and the answer is 9 meter. Okay, now as you know the value of R1 is 9 meter, so you can easily find out the circumference of inner circle. The formula is what? 2 pi R1. Now the value of pi is given, students. Just check it out. You will find that the value of pi is also given, and you have to write that value as 3.14. and what is the value of R1? Value of R1 is 9 meter. So you have to just multiply all the numbers, that is 2 into 3.14 into 9, and you will get the required answer. So I am not going to find out this thing, you have to do it on yourself. Okay, so now just come to the second part of this sum. Now you have to get the circumference of the outer circle. Now we know the value of R2 as what? 19 meter, isn't it? See, the radius of the outer circle is already given, that is 19 meter. So we'll write R2 as 19 meter, and now we'll get the value of circumference of outer circle, that is 2 pi R2. Okay, so 2 into 3.14 into 19 meter. Very similarly, you have to multiply all these three numbers, and after that whatever the product you will get, that will be the answer of the second portion of the sum. So you have to get the two answers. That is the first answer. If you get this one, that is the first portion answer, and the second portion answer, if you multiply all these numbers, you will get the second portion answer. So these two answers are the conclusion of this particular sum. Okay, question number 15. Okay, so in next session, in the next video, I will explain question number 60 to all of you. Okay, till then, take care and be happy.